and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. Today we are going to be really focusing on color. We're going to be doing colorful balloons and having those balloons overlap so we can really see what colors are made with what. Now you might already know, but sometimes different supplies will react different ways, or if you put multiple layers, or if you already know what red and yellow make, then try to layer a few colors for your balloons. Don't just do boring colors for your balloons. Let's see how much we can push this color mixing. So go grab something colorful, either color pencils, crayons, markers, and let's get started. So for our balloons, we're just going to be drawing oval shapes, and I'm going to be using oil pastels, but whatever supplies you have will work. If it's colored pencils, markers, and I'm just going ahead and doing all my colors except for black, white, and my gray. So I'm doing my primaries and secondaries plus a little bit. And again, even with these, I'm gonna have some going off my page. Not all of them have to mix together. I'm gonna start off with my yellow. Now you could draw these out before you get started with your colors, but I'm not too worried about really making them look like balloons. I just kind of want to have fun with shapes on my page. So then I'm going to do maybe my red right here, and it's going to overlap the yellow. And you can see how that turned into an orange right there. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little string coming down. And you can even put two colors inside of each balloon if you wanted to. If you really know what colors make what, you don't even have to. So I'm gonna do a blue. Maybe this one's really overlapping. And it's bigger too. And now I'm getting a purple right there. Now maybe I'll play and do maybe a yellow again. Maybe he's down here, and it's a tiny one. And I really like when oil pastels blend together. That's really, and my yellow got a little dirty from that, but that's okay. That's why I kind of just wanted to think about it a little bit more abstract. Now my green's going on top of my blue, which is just making a darker green. And my green on top of my yellow, kind of a brighter green. And you could have made your balloons smaller than I am. But maybe like this balloon's further away and this one's closer. And I'm gonna do a couple more. And I encourage you, play with colors, see what they do when they interact. And then I'm going to do one more. And there we go. Now I played with all my colors. Now I could go back on top and play in other areas and like push my colors, see what happens. Kind of like how this cream color looks on top of the blue. I can see what it does on top of the green and yellow. And really just play, maybe. And there we go. I'm happy with my color mixing and my experimenting. And now you keep experimenting, see what you can make. So I hope you had fun playing with color mixing, using the idea of a balloon and having those balloons overlap since we can see through balloons. So I hope you had fun and played and learned some new things about colors. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye, friends.